Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make customer journey map with Notion. So in this step-by-step guide, I'm going to be showing you 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to create the database. So we will use a database to organize the steps, the feelings, and actions. So here you can start a new Notion page and create an inline table, which is a database. So you can use table command and then name it customer journey map. So just a pro tip that you can use a separate database for your customer personas and link them here later. So the next step is to define journey columns. So add the following properties, which is the columns to your database, like stage. So you can select emoticon, emotion, and select emoji, action, text, opportunity, text, and etc. So the stage, which is this one is property, should be include options like awareness, consideration, and purchase retention. Next is the map, the step. So you can add rows. So you can add each customer interaction as a new row. So you can fill in the stage emotion and the specific action they take. So you can focus on the pain points. You can use the emotion column to highlight negative feelings, like for example, frustrated and confused. So you can also visualize with gallery view. So you can click plus, which is you can add a view on your database and select gallery view. So in gallery settings, you can choose to group by stage and show key properties like emotion and opportunity on the card preview. Now, lastly is to generate action items. So you can create a separate action items, like database, and link it to the opportunity column to assign ownership and track fixes. So the visualization will immediately show where your biggest pain points. So which is the negative red for negative emojis and are located in the customer lifecycle. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can create customer journey map with Notion. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.